think we can all relate to the fact that taking something that used to look like this and transform it into something like unique, that has character, that has a purpose. It's like, I love that transformation process, which is one of the things that I think furniture flipping allows you to get a glimpse of. But let's get into something maybe that we aren't all talking about, because I swear, you can hear about all the good stuff and a little bit of the bad stuff, but most of the stuff that people hate don't make the cut. It's all edited. So I want to hear about that. Give me the raw, uncensored, I hate this about furniture flipping. So, disclaimer, if you do not want to listen to dirty little secrets about furniture flipping, then watch one of my other videos. But if you are open to listening to all the good stuff and then some of the bad stuff, then stay tuned as I get on with my love and hate relationship with furniture flipping. First, smash the like button, because you know you're already gonna like this video, and then my love for furniture flipping, the process behind it all, because taking something that used to look like old, dated, just something that somebody would literally throw away, and transform it into something like unique. It's like a masterpiece. Like, I love that transformation process. Also, the community behind furniture flipping, I think, is a really great community. I love watching that stuff. It's kind of like nostalgic. It reminds me of when I used to watch renovation videos on HGTV, but from a different perspective. Also, when you start sharing this type of content and showing people like, hey, this is a little bit of what I'm doing, I'm furniture flipping, you get so many people around your social sphere that wants to either give you furniture, that wants to either buy the furniture from you, that knows somebody who's gonna throw away a piece, but maybe you can transform it into something completely different. I mean, there's a massive community, and these connections can bring so much business. That was another thing that I just didn't believe until I saw it. Like, when I started sharing videos about furniture flipping, there were so many people that came out of the woodworks that literally wanted to give me their money. Anyway, there's probably a lot of things that I can talk about that I love about furniture flipping, and I'd be curious to know maybe what you love about furniture flipping. So when you have some time, scroll down to those comments and let me know. Here are some things that I just love about furniture flipping, or hey, I just love the transformation process too, and I love some of your videos. Thank you. And now let's get into the nitty gritty, the dirty little secrets that we all came for. Don't kill yourself. You might have some issues with furniture flipping. Now, do not be overwhelmed, do not be stressed, do not have fear, because if you want to do this and you stumbled upon this video and this is like the breaking point of if you do or if you don't, do it, try it. The best way to really evolve yourself is putting yourself in discomfort. So yeah, take on a furniture flipping project and just feel the discomfort. You better fit or I'm gonna kill you. Please. And also the pleasure that comes from the reward of furniture flipping. Finally. But let's get into something maybe that we aren't all talking about. We probably think furniture flipping from beginning to end is gonna be this straight, simple process, but once you get the piece of furniture and inspect it, you really start seeing exactly what you're getting yourself into. And depending on what you wanna do with it or what your experience level is, there's a list of things that could potentially come your way that you might wanna fix, or you can take the easy route and just throw some paint on it, call it good, and hopefully nobody will notice when they're buying it. You really have to take the mindset of like learning things from here and there from multiple people and kind of just figuring out your own process. Yeah, follow this like guideline, but remember that this guideline is not the journey that you're gonna take. It's not gonna be from A to Z. It's gonna be like A, B, J, Z, T, V, O, Q, R, M, Z, all over the place. And that is literally furniture flipping. It is going to be a little chaotic. I already have a video room. I already have a knitting room. I don't have many more rooms left. And so I am stuck doing everything outside. And during the wintertime, you can't furniture flip outside. The paint hates the cold. I hate the cold. And just the process of battling through all the elements can be really cumbersome. And so when you get into furniture flipping, if you don't really have that dedicated space, imagine when you have to bring friends over and you gotta move everything around and then they leave and you gotta put everything back. I mean, that takes time. It's not gonna be a 4-hour project. It is not gonna be a 1-day project. Tie yourself down for at least 3 to 4 days. I am not kidding. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It is currently now Wednesday. Maybe you might be one of the lucky few who can turn a project out in 12 hours in 1 day, but if you're like me who loves to relax every now and then, it's gonna take you 3 to 4 days. And for all that time and energy that you're putting into this one piece, I kind of want to keep it. I mean, we spent so much time together. I love you. I don't want to let go of you. And so selling you to somebody else so that they can enjoy you really hurts my heart. The first person that wants them, just take them, please. Letting go of something just so pretty. You might have to sit on it for a while, and if you do, just remember your time is valuable. We don't give out discounts. I kind of laugh a little bit, and not only that, but I spent like 20 hours on you, making like $15 to $20 an hour if you really like break it down, and then after my expenses and after taxes, if you're paying your taxes for these small little things, why don't you just work at a fast food place for minimum wage? I mean, literally, you might not get the same enjoyment or experience of being at home and working on your own stuff, but literally you're making less than minimum wage. So that to me was another piece that I was kind of just like, you know, I can literally do nothing and make $100 a day. Why work for minimum wage on a piece that I don't even get to keep? So remember that. If you take one thing from this video, it's this. Figure out exactly why are you doing this? Why am I doing what I do? I did it. It was fun while it lasted. You should do it too, and you'll enjoy the fun and everything else that comes with it while it lasts. And then at some point you will move on to whatever you want to move on, because the creative person inside you just wants to keep doing so many things. So yeah, furniture flipping, I love it, I hate it, but I'm still here and I'm gonna be doing some other things. So as a creative entrepreneur, you are all over the place, but what I can definitely say is that real estate, renovations, e-commerce, Etsy, creative, beanies, I love that stuff. You'll probably see more of it. And also, yeah, let me know in the comments below what you might hate about furniture flipping, because I swear, you can hear about all the good stuff and a little bit of the bad stuff, but most of the stuff that people hate don't make the cut. It's all edited. So I want to hear about that. Give me the raw, uncensored, I hate this about furniture flipping in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.